morning we cleaning the veranda plants, and I'm just going to show you how I clean these plants. So these are a kind of lily that we have here, and I have them in about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 pots with these lilies on the veranda. And when the leaves get dry and like this, I actually pull them out. I think the better thing to do would be to cut them than to pull them like this. I don't know why I'm pulling. I should be cutting. But what I do when I take out the cut leaves, I just take them and I put them right in here. So in here, we put a lot of compost for the plants, just plain old compost, and we let them strive like that. So I'm just taking out the old leaves on these. All the old leaves. Oh gosh, this is a young leaf, and they will go back right into the pot and form a part of the compost that feeds the soil. So we have that there. That's there. I can't even get that one out. Let's try this one here. And let's take this one. Okay, good. So in this pot now, everything is out and everything is now feeding this plant right here. Look at that. Let me show you the garden from the top. That's the garden from up top. That's a little piece of it. All right, so let's go to another pot. Let's go over here. And again, what we're doing is we are looking for the real dried up leaves, the real spent ones. And we are just pulling them out. And what we do with them when we pull them out, we just rest them right back into the pot and let them become a part of the cycle. One of the things with gardening that I have noticed is that it is a cycle, and what you do is you just submit to the cycle. And we put that in there. And then look here, we have some more right here. All of that. I take them and I just put them right there in the pot. So let me show you the 2 clean pots. So I just cleaned that one there. And I clean this one here. Now we do have some more stuff that we can take out. We're just taking these out of the pots. And we put them in there. These pots are on our 3rd floor. And I have 7 of them. All right, so let's go to the next spot. Oh my gosh, this one really need a lot of cleaning. Look at this one. Look how much spent stuff in here. So we start right here and we just keep taking out the spent stuff. I just take my hands like this and I just pull them. And then I rest them down here like that. Look over here. Look at this. Look how many here. If we go on the other side, oh my gosh. Let's pull them out. Let's go on the other side now. On the other side of this pot, looks what's going on here. So we just go in. Oh wow, I almost pulled out a green one. Thank God I didn't. Thank you for watching. And then I come here and I take these out. All of this. And then I just fold them up like this. And it's raining a lot here. We are in the rainy season should have ended. But we're still in the rainy season. And we put that in here. Now this one here is a weed. See this? This is a weed. So I'll take this out and I will just rest it in there. So everything is just feeding the soil, feeding the plant, all the compost, everything in this pot. Let me show you the pot from a distance. Let me show you the 3 that I've cleaned so far. Oh wait, this one has a leaf that has to come out. So I've cleaned that one. That one is cleaned. That one over there is cleaned, and that one is clean. So I've cleaned 3 so far. I don't like how the ends of this looking here, so let's pull that out. All right, let's go to pot number 4. And pot number 4 is the center pot. That's this pot right here. This is pot number 4. And we'll start by pulling this one out. If you notice, lots of compost. Lots of compost, and even a little papaya is growing. But this papaya wouldn't survive, so I'll take it out and just rest it down there. And it become part of the food of the plant. So let's come on this side, because it's on this side that we do have a lot of leaves. A lot of spent and dried leaves that we have to get rid of. Do you hear the birds? I hope you can hear the birds singing. If you're watching for the first time, this is Guyana Tropical Garden. The name of this garden is Caden's Garden at West Side. And I am in Guyana Zone 11. And I'm cleaning the plants on the veranda. I had these pots made right here when they made the wall for when they put up the balustrades. I had these pots made, and so that's how we do it. So now we have 4 of them clean. So that one is cleaned, that one is clean, that one is clean. So 4 of them are cleaned now. So we're gonna go now and we're gonna clean the next. So let's clean this one here now. If you notice, lots of spent leaves. And when we have the plants on the balustrade, we don't do a lot of stuff with them. Look at how they're looking from here. We don't do a lot of stuff with these plants. All we do is we give it compost. If you look there, you will see a lot of compost. We give it a lot of compost, and I put water. And that's it. Water and compost. And just come in now and again when the leaves are very spent, and we do a lot of cleaning, as I'm doing right now. This is a grass growing in here. Can you see that? This is a grass. The reason why my hands are so wet, it's because it's raining. So we want to put out all of these, all of these, all of these, all of these. We want to pull them out, and I just take them and push them into the pot itself. And so there is nothing to throw away, and the cycle continues. Everything goes right back into the plant. Feed the plant. Keep it nice and moist. We have one up here. Can you see this one? And I think I should pull the edge of this and the edge of this one too. A little bit in here. And look at it. Now I'm going to show you how they're all looking. Wow, there's a long grass. Do you see this long grass growing in here? There's a long grass growing in here. Let me show you how they're looking now. So those are the ones that are finished cleaning. So I finished cleaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 more pots to clean. And you can actually hear the birds singing. All right, let's go to this one here now. Now this pot has a lot going on. Lots of stuff growing in here. So we're going to start by taking out all of the dried leaves. We start with the dry leaves, the spent leaves on this. We take them all out. Oh my gosh. Like that. Even this one gone. And then I take this and I put it in here. Now what I'm going to do, all of these that are growing in here, I'm going to pull them out and just rest them in here, and they become food for the plant. That's how we do it. They just become food. And that's it. Just like that. We're not cleaning it. We're not throwing it away. We're not putting it anywhere. All we're doing, we're cleaning the pot. And when we clean the pot, we push everything back into the pot itself. Let me come here so you can see what I'm doing. Good morning, friends, and thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. This is Guyana Tropical Garden, and we are in zone 11. If you like tropical content, tropical gardening content, please remember to like and subscribe. Today I am cleaning the pots on our veranda. Now this one gets a lot of water, and that's the reason why I put these plants here, because so many other plants I tried and they died. Let me show you much water in this. Can you see that? That's water there. But this plant is not afraid of water. This plant actually can survive in water. And so this was really the best choice to put here. So I'm now going to show you how they all look when they're cleaned. Wait, we do have to take out some more. Let's take this out. And let's take this out. And all we do, we rest them in there. So now look at that one. Look how beautiful it is. Look at this one. Nice and clean up. Look at this one here. So lovely. I think the other one there I should have, wait, let's take out this part of the leaf here. So I like to plant these. These have proven to be the best plants for this weather and for these spaces. When I planted them, they were not so big, as you will see, because today I'll be planting some more on another floor. So you're gonna see how they look. I have a big papaya, 2 papaya tree growing in this one. I'm gonna take out this little one and just rest it down here. I think if I take out the big one, or even both of them, I should try replanting them. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Look at these papayas. They were just growing in the pot. I'm gonna take them down and plant them in the yard. Now let me show you what else is growing in this pot. And I don't know why we're not taking it out, but right here we have what is called a sapodilla tree, and it's actually branching out now. It's really getting bigger right in this spot. Look how this is a fruit tree. If you don't know what sapodilla is, you can Google it and you will see what the fruit looks like. But I think it's time this plant comes out this spot, or else I think it's going to be so difficult to get it out if we don't take it out now. And that's the last one there. So let me show you how they look from this side. That's the pots. And I just repeat this pattern on all of the floor, just this pattern of planting. So I'm gonna take these down, and we're gonna go to the second, and we are going to plant 2 pots only on the second. All right, so thank you so much for watching Guyana Tropical Garden. Take care. Tata.